What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kees Cars. Key here, and today we're gonna do it, guys. We're taking a look at the BMW M4 Competition. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, so the 2021 BMW M4 Competition, let's just say it, the grill. What's going on here? There's been so much talk centered around the grill of this car, and rightfully so. It's big, it's bold, it's a statement. As far as design-wise goes, I can't say that I like it, but I understand where they're going as far as wanting to call back to some of the heritage of the BMW brand, their beginnings with the tall, skinny grills. But again, this grill, it's not like BMW hasn't given us weird designs before. I mean, clown shoe. Enough said. I don't even have to put a picture up, and I know that everyone out there knows exactly what I'm talking about when you say BMW clown shoe. But again, that's a car that we've all come to know and love over the years. And I don't think this car is going to be any different. It's a great performance car, but I've heard comments on other videos like it's growing on me or it's not that bad in person. I think it's going to be a design that's probably going to end up being okay. But with that being said, I do think that there are some interesting things going on. Every time I look at the front end of this car right now, I don't even know if it's the grille that's the problem. I think it's the lower part of the car. It looks kind of like a squirrel or a chipmunk with its face full of peanuts. And so for that reason, I don't know if the grille is the problem with the front end. I think it's all the stuff going on around the grille that's making the grille stand out even more and just making it look really strange. And really quick before we keep going, guys, somewhere in the last couple of weeks, we gained like 200 subscribers, and that's so amazing. Guys, I'm still on the push to 1,000, so if you like the content, please consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot to me. Let's see how far we can push this. Other than that, let's get right into this design. So, like I said, I actually don't think the grille is the biggest problem with the front end design, because as I look at this, there are just so many intersecting lines going on, and the way the lower grille section looks just kind of squished in the middle, that is bugging me more than the large grille opening. The lines for that lower part of the grille look like they're intersecting with some of the light bar lines that are in the headlights and maybe that corner edge. But again, I think that there's something disproportionate there that's actually making the grille look as bad as it does. So what I want to do, and this is probably going to be fairly simple, but I want to make that lower part of the grille section wider. I want to make those openings a little bit bigger. I do want to shrink that grille, the grille section. I want to shrink it just a little bit and connect that bottom fascia part. But again, I really want to address the bottom part of the grille and see if we can make that more proportionate and more flattering to the overall design of the car. So with all of that said, guys, I don't think there's any need to talk anymore, except to say we're about to key this BMW M4 Competition. Let's do it. All right, guys, and there you go. This is my render of the 2021 BMW M4 Competition. And again, I think simplifying this was the key. There were a lot of different angles and lines going on there that I think just detracted from that large grille opening, which again, I don't mind the grille opening. It's a little big, but I think there was so much going on around it that it just made the whole front look weird. So you guys have to tell me in the comments, what do you think? Do you think that having a simpler, cleaner bottom end of the bumper makes the grille openings less prominent, makes them less obnoxious? Or do they need to get rid of them altogether? What I didn't want to do is just go back to the previous generation where they had the smaller grille openings. I want to appreciate what the designers tried to do here. But I wanted to clean it up a little bit. And so I hope I did that. Guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the new BMW M4 Competition. I think the rest of the design is awesome. I've heard a lot of things that it looks like a Mustang, and I would agree from the side. It looks a little bit like a Mustang. And I think it just needed a little bit of cleanup on the front end. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please subscribe, like, comment. I'm enjoying having conversations with you guys. You guys take care, and I will see you in the next video.